Time to check out our balcony stateroom. Very nice. Let's check out the bathroom. Small cute shower. Storage. For anyone that is thinking about taking a trip or wondering what a balcony room will look like, well, this is it. It's for 3 people, 1 queen or 1 king bed with a pull out. And as you can see, the room is a nice size, but you wouldn't want to be stuck in here all day long. The TV is teensy weensy, very, very small. And we're just gonna close it. You can see the date on there. We have a safe. We have some glasses. We have a fridge. We have a bucket for ice. A nice mirror. A phone. As I said, here is the pull-out bed. Here's the queen bed, and we have some more place to put storage. Some more here. But let's see what we've paid all the money for exactly. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Let's see if I can open it. This is a lot. Oh my god, guys. Disney cruise. Amazing. Now let's say you didn't have Disney cruise in front of you and you had this to look at, which we will. Amazing, 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 amazing. And let's just have a seat here and see how it's gonna be. Oh, sitting and relaxing. Plenty of room. You have 2 chairs. And there's plenty of room for even a 3rd chair. Beautiful. I love it. I'm not crazy about that music playing though, but I love it. I'm gonna close all this up. So, this is what a stateroom looks like with a balcony on the I wish, on the Carnival Freedom, guys. Not too shabby.